Hi everyone, it's Elena, and this is my week 5 backend coding assignment. This week we practiced object-oriented programming. We did this by creating an interface and implementing it in two different ways. My project is all about Logger interface and two classes that implement it, AsteriskLogger and SpacedLogger. So here's my Logger interface. It defines two methods, log and error. The purpose of an interface is to define a contract. Any class that implements it must provide its own version of these methods. Next is my AskLogger class. It implements my logger interface. The log method prints out a message surrounded by three of these stars. I think they're called asterisks. And if you have a message in there like hello, it'll come through in the three asterisks. The error method adds the word error before the message and prints it inside a box of asterisks again. I use the .repeat method to generate the top and bottom borders based on the message's length. My second implementation is a SpacedLogger class. It also implements logger. Instead of using stars, it spaces out each letter of the message. The helper method adds space, loops through each character, adding a space after it. So the log method prints out something like hello, and the error method prints error, goodbye. Finally, here's the app class with the main method. This is where I created one instance of each logger, an asterisk logger and a space logger. Then I call both log and error methods. Now I'll run the application so you can see the output is going to the console. Here's the output of the asterisk logger. At the top, you can see it prints the message wrapped in stars, and then there's an error inside the box of asterisks. Below that is the SpacedLogger output. Each character is spaced out, and the error version starts with error followed by the spaced text. This shows both implementations of the same interface working correctly. I also pushed my project to GitHub using the git commands in my command prompt. As you can see here, you can see my week 5 repository here with all the required files under the SRC week 5 folder. You can see the logger.java, the AsteriskLogger.java, SpacedLogger.java, and the app.java. That's my week 5 coding project. This assignment helped me understand how the interfaces define structures while implementations customize behavior. That's a key concept in backend development, so I'm really glad that I practiced that. Thank you so much for watching.